Resetting a Trane Thermostat, a step-by-step guide.
Hello and welcome everyone. Today, we'll be diving into a commonly asked question. How do I reset a Trane thermostat if I can't find the reset button? Well, you're in luck, because we're going to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you're able to successfully reset your Trane thermostat.
What is a Trane thermostat?
Before we dive into the reset process, it's essential to have a basic understanding of your Trane thermostat. Trane is a leading provider of HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems, and their thermostats are designed to control the environment in your home efficiently. Notably, some Trane thermostat models do not have a visible reset button. But don't worry, this doesn't mean that you can't reset the device. The reset function might just be within the thermostat's menu or settings.
Preparing for the reset.
Before you reset your thermostat, remember to take note of your current settings. This is because a reset will clear all the current settings, and you'll have to reprogram the device afterwards. Also, ensure your thermostat is on and properly displaying information on its screen. This will allow you to navigate through the menus effectively.
The reset process.
Now, let's get into the meat of the matter, the reset process itself. 1. Navigate to the main menu on your Trane thermostat's display. This usually involves pressing the Menu or Select button on the device. 2. Look for an option called Reset or Factory Reset. This might be located under submenus such as Settings or Advanced Settings. 3. Once you find the reset option, select it and confirm your choice. The thermostat should then revert back to its factory settings. In case you can't find the reset function in your device's menu, you may need to perform a manual reset. 1. Switch off your thermostat from the main electrical panel. 2. Wait for about 30 seconds to a minute, then switch it back on. This often resets the thermostat.
After the reset.
Once the thermostat has been reset, you'll need to reprogram it according to your preferences. Refer back to the settings you noted before the reset process, and use them to set your temperature preferences, schedule, and any other customizable options your thermostat offers. And that's it. You've now learned how to reset your Trane thermostat even when you can't find the reset button. With these simple steps, you can troubleshoot common issues and restore your thermostat's functionality. We hope this guide has been helpful, and remember, keeping your home comfortable is just a few clicks away. Thanks for watching.